Friends, I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. We will learn to remove blemishes or pimples from an image. And we will use different techniques. We will use different images for that purpose. Like you see, first image has blemishes on her face. Let's get started. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Then press Ctrl+I to invert it. Change blend mode from normal to vivid light. Then go to filter, other, then click on high pass. Set value for radius 15 pixels. Or you can change it according to your image. Then press OK. Again go to Filter, Blur, and click on Gaussian Blur. Set value 1 for radius in Gaussian Blur, then hit OK. Press Alt and hold, then create a black mask. It will hide high pass and blur filter effects. Select brush tool. Make sure foreground color is set to white. Then start painting on blemishes or pimples. Make sure brush hardness is soft. I mean value for hardness is set to 0%. Then keep painting on blemishes. As you paint on blemishes, they will start disappear. And skin will smoothen of image. Here you have retouched image of this model. Let's see before and after. Here is image before with blemishes. And here is image after retouching. We have removed blemishes or pimples from image. Let's move to next technique. To remove pimples from this image, go to Filter, then click on Camera Raw Filter. Click on Spot Removal tool. Select Heal in Type. Set amount 25 for feather. Set value 100 for opacity. Click on Pimple. It will make two circles. One is red and other is blue. Red is for target and blue circle is for source. Move blue circle to soft area of skin. Click on next pimple and it will remove it. It will detect soft areas of skin itself. But if will not, then you need to move red circle to soft area. Keep clicking on pimples and move red circle to soft area of skin. Just keep clicking and it will detect soft area. Then it will remove pimple from skin. When you satisfy will removal, then hit OK. Here is image with soft skin. Just look at before then after. Let's move to next technique. We will use Spot Heal brush tool for this image. Let me tell you secret of this tool. If you select darken in mode, then it will target white pimples. Click on white pimples and it will remove them. And if spots are darkening on face, it will not remove them. You need to select lighten in mode to target dark spots. Keep clicking on dark pimples. So all skin has softened look now. I told the secret before. If you want to target dark pimples, then select lighten in mode. And select darken to target white pimples. So, look at image before then after. We have softened skin of this image. Let's move to next last technique. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Go to filter, then click on neural filters. Neural filters will load in a short while. There is option skin smoothing. Enable it and move blur slider all the way to right. And same smoothness slider all the way to right. Select current layer in output, then hit OK. If you see still blemishes are on the skin, then go to filter, then click on first option. It will repeat and apply same filter. Shortcut key is Ctrl+Alt+F. Reapply filter again by clicking or press Ctrl+Alt+F. Press Alt and create black mask on this layer. It will hide all neural filter effects. Pick soft round brush with 0% hardness. Make sure foreground color is set to white. Then start painting on blemishes. It will remove blemishes from the skin of face. These are techniques I want to share. You can use any one of them and make image better. And remove blemishes or pimples from face. So we have removed all blemishes from this image. Look at image before then after. I hope you like these techniques. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.